Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on TikTok without waiting for 30 days, right? So we will go into the TikTok mobile application here and you can change your username after 30 days, but if you can't, then you have to click on the setup profile, and after that you have to click on the name. And if I want to change my username, let's say, right, then if I want to save it, then it will get saved, I think so. So we'll just wait for a few seconds here. So as you can see that my username didn't change because I'm trying to do under the 30 days, right? So we will just click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that we will go into the setting and privacy, and we will scroll a little bit, and here we have to report a problem, right? And after that we have to wait for a few seconds. And guys, here you can see there is a lot of features, and you have to click on the account and profile, and after that it will take some few seconds to load, and here you have to click on editing profile, right? So here you can say that unable to change username, okay, and let's wait, and here you have to click on the no, right? And just click on the below that need more help, and after that it will show a box where you have to write your problem, right? So you have to explain here in a very easy manner that you are not able to change your username, or by mistakenly you have kept the username and you want to change this under 30 days, right? So after that after submitting this problem, they will contact you through email address, and after that they will try to solve your problem, right? So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.